look delicious.
T-bone, ribeye. Hi guys.
Many of you have bought beef from us.
These are your little babies. Oh, they're so cute.
They're gonna get butchered towards the end of June. So
They got a little more growing to do.
they're enjoying all the grass that's growing. Hang on.
Here we go.
Now this is still our property, but we lease this side of the highway to our neighbor.
Not even on the top yet, and here we are looking down at the ranch. This is just gorgeous. There's the highway that runs through the property, and then we've got all the fields and barns. This beautiful, beautiful view.
When I was young and had no sense, well, I won't go any further with that rhyme, but this is an electric fence. My dog decided that she wanted to see what it smelled like last week. All of this was logged a couple of years ago, and now it's been planted back to fir trees. See the little fir trees growing here in the field where they planted. Even in the road, apparently. Okay. I told you we'd be up here. Let me show you around. Yeah, with our house right over here. And then we're about 2.5 miles out of Elkton. So it's kind of nice to be out of town, but Elkton's a town of 150 people, so it doesn't really matter a whole lot anyhow. So anyway, here's a view of our cute little ranch. Lots of gates. Oh wow, look, one of our oak trees split. So this tree here, that's a California black oak. And black oaks have had a really tough time the last few years. And it breaks my heart to see them get broke up, but it happens all the time where they're getting uprooted and where they split like this. All right, we're gonna go on up the top of the hill. It's really hard to see exactly how steep some of this ground is, but I know that it's true because I watch YouTube videos from people like Matt's Off-Road Recovery, and you can never tell how steep the ground is. Trust me, it's steep. So off in the distance, you can see the Umpqua River, and then Elkton is just past that field down there below. We're still on our property. So we're gonna keep going. This is the highest point of our property. I know it's gonna be hard to see, but if you look over here, through the trees, right there is the Umpqua River. Now if I pan back around, right down there is the Umpqua River. We're gonna keep going. And Elkton's still way out there in the distance. I forgot to bring my chainsaw. I was up here a couple of weeks ago, and that road headed right down that way, it has a tree across it. So we have to take the bypass road that goes up the hill here. Hopefully there's not a tree across it.
Just a small one.
We can bounce over it. About now is when I realized that I didn't check the four-wheeler for how much gas it has. That might have been a good idea, but we are the furthest just about it that we can be from the house. Oh well. I think we'll see if we can catch up with the other road and see if it's still open.
Beautiful wooded area.
Down here is where I saw the bear several times when I was hunting this last fall. Had the cutest little cub. Looked about like the size of a basketball. So if we would have kept going straight, we would have came right down that road. But just around the corner, I know that there's an old oak snag and a fir tree laying across the road. So we had to bypass it. There's another oak tree that fell. That's a white oak. That just fell about a month ago. So right there in front of us, way over there, those are all our cows. That's our field over there.